Hey guys, this is Ed, and today I have my wife Scion here, and problem is something happened with this thing, and the bottom fell in. Okay, so I will show you how to, because I've seen this with the Scion XD before. I had, and it was the same problem. I fixed it, and now this happened to my wife's car, and I'll show you how to fix. This is a really easy fix, and it is gonna involve gluing the part back. Okay, so first thing first, we have to remove plastic on the top here. So to do this, we just I'll put the camera somewhere here. All right. So first, we're taking off the top panel here. Okay, I'll do this way. Then we have to unplug this connector. Put this aside. Next step, we have to take this thing off. What you do, you take a flathead screwdriver, put it here in the corner, and a little bit pry it out here and here. Once you did it, you can just pull on it. It's gonna come loose. So what can we see here is this. Okay, so these clips broke off. This one. Trying to come on, focus. Okay, there's a clip here and there's a clip on the other side. So what I'm gonna do, so it goes into here and the other side. Okay, so let's just put the knob back in place where it's supposed to be. Okay, this is okay. It's uncomfortable to do this with one hand. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be when it's back in place. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take glue and put it where the clip used to be, over here. That's the first one. Second thing, I'll put a glue over here. I'll try to zoom this place in. Okay, over here. I'm gonna point it with the. So if you can see where the screwdriver meets the plastic, over there, in that space between the white plastic and the clip, that's where I'm gonna put some glue. Don't put too much, because if it drips out from here, you're gonna have a glue on your panel, which is not gonna be nice. And here, okay, where the clip used to be, you can. That's it. So what I'm going. Alright, to activate your glue, I don't know if you get I'm sure everybody knows what the crazy glue is. This is how it looks. Why is it so okay? Alright, so just get the glue and glue it. Okay, I'll let it dry a little bit and then I'll put some more. Okay, so you could actually glue whatever the white plastic meets the frame, this plastic. So wherever they meet, you just put a little bit of drops here and there and everywhere around the perimeter. So I already glued the other side. It's very hard to film that side, so I did it. And you can put a drop of glue here, drop of glue here, drop of glue here. Just don't overdo this, because if it starts dripping out again, you're gonna mess up the panel. Okay, some couple minutes passed. It should be dry already, so I'm gonna put it back in. First you put the bottom. Yeah, right. See if it works. How good. So it should hold now. Let's take this thing. Put the clip here. Voila, that's it. Now it's in full working condition. Alright? Okay guys, if this helps, thumbs up. If not, comment. Enjoy. Bye.